Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create these simple shakes on CapCut PC by using the effects button. The effects feature I meant. I'm just going to right click first, and I'm going to select split scene to split the scenes so I can add in the shakes to the video. Just right click and select split scene. Then you are going to go to effects and you're going to select nightclub, and you're going to add in the rebound swing one. And you're going to add them not too far on the video. Put the strength up and the size as well, but put the speed down a little bit and just play around with the setting. Like so. Maybe have it till the end actually, or not. Let me just adjust it a little bit. And you're just going to copy and paste it for all of your videos. And that's basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!